Hello, this is Stephen Foster, and I'm going to give to you today the 3 basic tools from Awakening the Actor Within. Okay, the first one is you want to create an actor's notebook. Now, it should be something like this. It should be portable and flexible so you can take it with you to auditions and rehearsals. And what you want to do is you want to collage the cover using magazine images and actual pictures of yourself, collaging the dream that you want to manifest. That's the first thing that you want to do. You also want to, as you progress through the book, you want to actually write your answers to the questions and all the tasks inside the notebook as well. Now, the second tool that I'm going to give you is a daily I remember. Now, this is a writing exercise. Now, I don't want you guys to freak out. A lot of actors go, oh my God, I'm an actor, I'm not a writer. Oh my God, this doesn't apply to me. But actually it does. It's a very simple tool. What you're going to do is you're going to write one single page every day of the sentence, I remember. And it could be one memory that you select, or it could be a collection of memories. And what this is going to do, this is going to help you as you progress and do scene work and monologues and start to develop characters. And you'll see why as we progress through the course. Now, the third and final tool that I'm going to give you right off the bat is a weekly script reading. And what you want to do is you want to read a script, like one of these, every single week. Now, it can be a screenplay, it could be a play, it could be a TV drama, it could be a sitcom. You choose whatever format you want to read. And what this does is this helps you look at characters and roles that you want to play. So those are the first 3 basic tools that I start everybody out on. So good luck, and thank you.